everybody, let me talk in this video about array. So what do you mean by array? Array is specific data structure that arranges data in specific format and it will fix some type of problem. So what the type of problem that array fix it for us? Imagine you have numbers like 1, 8, 10, 19, 20. So you have this number. So if you want to represent them in variables, you say, okay, variable 1 equal 1, variable 2 equal 8, variable 3 equal 10, variable 4 equal 19, variable 5 equal 20. So do you think this is practical? So what about if you have 15 or 20 or 100 numbers? So how you represent them? It'd be very bad. So this here the solution for array came up. So what do you mean by that? The array mean, okay, I have 5 numbers, so let me create list for 5 things. Do it in this way. And these 5 numbers in this way. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You just think about it in this way. This list. You take the first number 1, 8, 10, 19, 20. So now think about you want to access to any number. Any number here or any item have index. The index here started from 0. In the array, any index start from 0. So this one 0, this one 2, 3, 4. If we name this array, we give it a name like numbers. Okay. So to get access to the element, you say, okay, numbers for 0. So you say in this way, you say numbers for 0. When you say number for 0, that means, hey, you are pointing to this element. Okay? Let me go next. When you say number for 1, which element you are pointing to? You are pointing to this element. So every element in the array has a specific index. So this is easy way to access to all elements. So any element you want to access to it, you will access by the index of elements. So but here in this case, it's not easy for you to access to the element inside the list. So this is the basic thing I could show you about this data structure. But what is good and what is bad about this data structure? The good thing about this data structure is arranging your data, but the bad thing, it have fixed size. So what do you mean by fixed size? Let me just clear this part and just keep the list for you and you understand what I mean by that. Imagine I don't have 5, I have 4 number. But when you define your array, first you have to give it array have fixed size. Okay? Fixed size. So when you define it first time, that size will never change. You say, okay, I have array, you define array, you say array size equal, for example, 10. That's mean you say, okay, you define array with size 10. So let me just suppose deleting this thing. You say, okay, I would define array in size 10. So you just say, I will take this one in this way, hopefully. I don't know why I'm using red. I don't like the red color, but yes, okay, I just draw it. So you say 10, so that means you have 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hopefully 8. You still have 2 things. 9, let me just double this thing, and 10. So now you define array with 10 element. So what's the problem you will have in this array? Imagine you have only 5 numbers. You have 1, 8, 15, 16, 12, this number. When you have only 5 number, you just reserve it 10 memory location while you use it only 5 use it. That means 5 of them is never use it, but you book them. No other program could use this location because you have defined your array size. So the problem with array, only one problem. When define the size, you cannot change it. So you will define it first time and that is. So if you find 10, you use 5, you just lost 5 memory location may be used by other app. So this is the basic problem we could discuss it about array.